Today we have an iPhone 7. It looks pretty normal aside from some general wear and tear. That is until we turn it on its side, then we notice a spicy pillow inside, the affectionate term for a lithium battery that has begun to swell. Over multiple charging cycles, lithium batteries can start to balloon up in size, putting pressure on the internal components. After removing 2 pentalobe from the bottom, the screen has nearly opened itself. Opening the phone tells me that it's been to a few different repair shops and has had a few components replaced. I'll get the strangely springy board shield off and remove the display to access the battery a little easier. Disconnecting the battery is obviously important. Now I can start tugging on the command strips that hold the battery to the frame. When they work well. When they don't, well, they don't. I'll lift up from the side, trying not to bend the cell too far. As you can see, the command strips lost command of their function and barely came off at all. They are sticky though. I'll get a fresh set of magic pull tabs pressed on a new battery, wrapping the little ends up and over for hopefully easier access next time. The new battery is laid in place while connected to ensure it's lined up properly. With that done, I'll reconnect the display and make sure everything is functioning before reassembling it. Thanks a ton for joining me. I'll see you next time.